If you decide to begin talking with the product owner, then click on the respective button. After that, you get to know him and discuss about the upcoming project. This is an important part of the game, since here you can gather all the necessary information that will affect your decisions during the actual Scrum activity. The client introduces you to the idea of a constant and always evolving collaboration model, according to which the product owner will have the possibility to intervene and affect the design and production procedures while the team is working. After that first meeting with the client, it's your time to inform your team and let them know about the new project. Be careful not to forget the discussion you had before, because it contains vital information that the team should really know about, and according to this, a pool of ideas is generated and presented in the following screen. Here you can see some possible tasks for the project, and in case you need some further information, you can just hover over the post-its to learn more about each one of them. Click on Next and proceed. You begin a brief interaction with the Scrum Master and you are asked to determine what really must be done next. The next screen shows your team working together on the project, always based on the previous information and initial decisions. Click on Next to proceed. The Scrum Master informs you about the product backlog according to what the team has agreed upon. It's time to set priorities for each of the tasks presented before. You can see 3 different markers, which you can use in order to highlight what should be done and in which specific order. Green means high, yellow is about medium, and blue is about really low priority. Every time you choose one of the markers and click on the post-it notes, this will be colored accordingly. You can't go on if not every task has a set priority, and it would be a clever idea to not forget to respect the product owner's needs. Afterwards, the team has to be informed on the implementation time until the completion of the project, so you must pick one of the proposed time periods. Click on Next. The following screen shows what the Scrum Master decided about the sprint duration in days. Click on Next and watch your team working together. In case the product owner needs to let you know about adjustments or changes to the original plan, he gives you a call. Click on OK and then on Next in order to speak with him. Listen carefully to what the client wants to add or change in order for the team to make the right decisions. While the team is still working on the project, you are asked if you want to change anything. You have 2 choices, either to change priorities or to pick a task for the next sprint. You proceed like this until all the sprints are run till completion. Don't forget to fulfill the client's will, as this is expressed anytime he has anything necessary to let you know about. In the end, the product owner asks to see the final result according to the work so far. The final screen shows you the verdict of the client, as well as the success rates of the project. You can now click on the red button that can be found on the bottom right of your screen. It's time for a new challenge, so you are redirected to the initial menu screen.